Hello students, this is your plus 1 chemistry class and we are doing chapter chemical bonding. In the previous videos we have discussed about the Lewis dot structures and that bond parameters. Now today we will discuss about the resonance structures. Actually the Lewis dot structures which we are for the molecule we are making that Lewis dot structures, but out of those Lewis dot structures none of the structure is able to explain all the properties of that molecule. So that's why there is a need to make that resonance structures, and these resonance structures are actually to explain the properties of certain molecules, because single Lewis structure is not able to or not adequate to explain the properties of a molecule. Like in case of ozone, in this case each atom of oxygen has a octet. Like in this first case it forms a double bond with this oxygen, single bond with this oxygen, 3 bonds are formed. Triple bonds means 6 electrons are involved in this bonding and 2 are present over here. It means 8 electrons are completed. Now if we will discuss about this oxygen, 4 electrons are present around this oxygen. It forms a double bond with this central oxygen. Double bond means 4 electrons, 4, 2, 6 and 2, 8. So total 8 electrons. So it means octet is completed. Now about this third atom of oxygen, 6 electrons are present around this. It means it forms a single bond with the central oxygen. Single bond means 2 electrons. 2 electrons of this and 6 electrons are present, which are represented with the help of a dots. So 6 and 2, 8 electrons. So octet is completed. So in each atom of oxygen octet is completed. And this can be represented like this. Double bond is interchange. But after making interchange or that single bond changed into the double bond, but that interchange or out of these two structures, either this first one or maybe this second one structure, first or second structure is not able to explain all the properties or all the observed facts about these structures. That's why resonance structures are made, because this one structure of Lewis dot structure, either this one or second, is not able to explain all the observed facts about these structures. That's why resonance structures are made, and the resonance structures are the individual structures which explain properties of those molecules. Now here are some conditions to write that resonance structures. First one is that those resonance structures, those contributing structures should have same atomic positions, and those also have a same number of unpaired electrons and nearly about that same energy level. Those atoms contributing structures should have a nearly same energy. And like example of a carbon dioxide, in this case carbon has a 4 electrons in this the valence shell. 2 electrons are shared with the oxygen atom and 2 are shared with another oxygen atom of oxygen. It means it shares 2 with this oxygen and 2 electrons with this oxygen, or it can be represented like this also, double bond with this oxygen and double bond with this oxygen. So double bond means 4 electrons are shared and 4 are present around carbon, so octet is completed. And this oxygen, 2 electrons are shared means 4 electrons are there, 4 are present around over here, it means 8. Octet is completed. And these different structures can be made like this, double bond, or it can be represented with the double head arrow. It means triple bond with this oxygen or single bond with this oxygen. 3 electrons are shared with this oxygen and 8 are present around over this oxygen, and octet is completed. So if we will discuss about that single structures by interchanging their triple bond and single bond, none of these structures is able to explain that properties of all the atoms. So individual structures, that resonance structures are made, that individual structures are made which are able to explain all properties of some of the molecules. Thank you.